Hey everyone, it's Spa Guy Dave in Pennsauken, New Jersey, back again with once again another killer pre-owned, almost new hot tub for sale right now. And it's as good as it gets. As always, it's a Sundance. So you know the brand. Sundance and Jacuzzi are made in the same factory, same engineers, same great quality goes into every spa that they make. This is a 4 to 5 seater Sundance Montclair. 4 adults, comfortable, 5th seat over here. This spa was made on the 29th of November of 2018. It was purchased in the spring of 2019. It has just 3 years of use on it, and it shows because it is as close as you can get to brand new. All the way around on the cabinet, on the shell. Gorgeous, gorgeous condition and beautiful tub for this almost new hot tub. You've got a lounger here that gets your bottom locked in nice. You got a little bit of a wall there so you don't float sideways, which is great. Awesome stainless steel jets, under the calf jets, under the foot jets. Huge footwell for you. A massive jet over here that really puts out a lot of gallons per minute to work the parts of the back for you. You've got a killer seat over here, very direct jets. Another awesome, awesome, powerful seat. These are all patented Jacuzzi Sundance jets. This seat here, a little bit smaller, and it has a waterfall which can be turned off. LED lights everywhere. You've got about 5 main lights, 2 more in the actual waterfall. But additionally, all the control knobs are also LED lit also. So a lot more LED lights, 7 or 8 different colors. It is just a beautiful tub. We're going to turn it on now because right now this is what it sounds like when it's just filtering. So if you're out barbecuing and you want to hear the ambiance of just some nice flowing water, this is what you can do. But when you want to get in it, here's pump number 1. I just turned on it. Just turned on the full lounger and it turned on that killer corner seat. Let's go pump number 2. Now we've turned it up. Wow. Look at that seat over here. Look at the big whirlpool jet in that seat. Look at the foot jets. This tub is killing it, folks. This is killing it. You've got your lights over here to change to different colors. All that fun stuff. Temperature up and down. Very simple, easy to use. No nonsense controls. The best equipment in the world. Underneath the cabinet, the equipment looks brand spanking new. It looks fantastic. You got a beautiful cover, new cover. You have a mechanical spa lifter, a set of steps, full chemical kit, new pillows, new filter, new heater, full 1-year warranty, delivery, everything you need for this hot tub. But you've got to hurry because it's going to go so fast. Everybody wants a Sundance or a Jacuzzi spa. And here's another chance to get one and to have it in your backyard. So hopefully you'll be in hot water. If you like this video, please click like and also subscribe to my Spa Guy Dave YouTube channel so you can see new spas as they come and lots of interesting maintenance questions and chemicals and videos and things like that all the time. So thanks for watching. This is Spa Guy Dave.